It was a sunny afternoon on the winding mountain road. Birds were singing, the air was fresh, and then came bang! Crash! A bright red sports car skidded sideways and slammed into the guardrail. From the dust emerged Crash Dummy Dave, the bravest, well, actually the only volunteer rescue dummy in town. With his plastic smile and painted-on eyes, Dave jumped into action. "Don't worry, citizens, I'm trained for this," he shouted, although no one asked him to be. He charged heroically toward the wreck, only to trip over his own foot and roll down the hill like a runaway bowling ball. Meanwhile, the car teetered on the edge of the cliff, tires squealing dramatically. The driver screamed, "Help me!" Dave popped back up, covered in dust, and struck a superhero pose. He grabbed a rope, tied it around his waist, and yelled, "Stand back! I've seen this in the movies!" He pulled with all his might, and instead of saving the car, the bumper ripped off in his hands, and Dave held it up like a trophy, grinning proudly, while the car slowly tilted even further toward the abyss. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a police car arrived, sirens blaring. The officers jumped out, ready to help. But before they could, Dave slipped on an oil spill, slid across the road, and bonk! Accidentally body slammed the police car door shut, trapping the officers inside. The car on the cliff wobbled dangerously, then crash! Boom! It landed softly on a passing delivery truck carrying giant mattresses. The driver of the sports car crawled out, unharmed, but extremely confused. As for Dave, he stood proudly with the bumper still in his hands and declared, "Another successful rescue." Everyone stared. Silence. Then laughter erupted. Because sometimes, even in disaster, the rescue can be the funniest part of the crash.
No!